This is my favorite Rubik's Cube, the 4x4 axis cube. The reason I like this cube is, one, because it looks really cool. And the reason it looks cool is because all of the cuts are at angles. It makes it look much more dynamic. I'm a designer, and when I design things in my own voice, I often design with angles similar to these, lots of acute angles. When you're designing with a lot of angles, it relates more to the forces at work, because the forces are usually not coming in at perfect 90-degree angles to each other. Another reason I like this cube is because it's a shapeshifter. Once you start turning it, 90 degrees or 180 degrees, it doesn't go back to the cube shape. So it ends up being this really unusual shape. And then when people start looking at that, they're like, oh my God, how can you ever solve, like that looks impossible. How can you keep it all straight? And that's one of the nice things about this cube. You have to look into all the chaos and try to see where the patterns are in the chaos. And that's something fun, not just for me. A lot of people like solving cubes because they make order out of chaos. Even if your own life is chaotic, you feel like you can bring some control to your life and lessen some of the chaos.